Can a machine see through a void? Imagine flying a high-tech drone through a wall of blinding white where you can't see your own hand. For most autonomous drones, this kind of weather is a death sentence because cameras become completely useless. But Arjun, a stubborn engineer, refuses to accept these limits in his high-tech research laboratory. He isn't trying to build a better camera, he wants to give machines a way to feel the world. Meet Unit 7, a sleek industrial delivery drone designed to conquer the most impossible environments on Earth. Unit 7 is equipped with 3 distinct eyes, each seeing the world through a completely different lens. The first is a standard optical camera, perfect for sunny days but blind in a storm. Then there is LiDAR, which shoots thousands of laser pulses to map distances like a digital tape measure. Finally, the thermal sensor ignores light entirely, detecting only the heat signatures of the environment. Arjun calls in Maya, his most skilled test pilot, to put the drone through its first real trial. They travel to the gray zone, a massive facility built to simulate the worst weather conditions imaginable. Maya carefully loads a critical medical package into Unit 7's carbon fiber cargo hold. The mission is simple: fly from point A to point B through a dense, artificial fog bank. The flight begins smoothly, with the camera providing a crystal clear view of the runway. But as Unit 7 enters the fog, the screen suddenly goes white, leaving the camera completely blind. Maya quickly switches the feed to LiDAR, transforming the white void into a world of glowing dots. The world now looks like a 3D ghost realm, where shapes emerge from the darkness of the data. Suddenly, the fog thickens, and the laser pulses begin hitting water droplets instead of solid objects. The LiDAR becomes confused, detecting ghost obstacles, fake walls made of nothing but heavy mist. Unit 7 begins to jerk and swerve violently, reacting to phantoms that aren't actually there. A real concrete pillar is hidden in the haze, and the drone is on a direct collision course. Panic sets in, and Maya almost pulls the manual override to save the drone from crashing. Arjun shouts for her to wait, his eyes fixed on the data as he activates the fusion core. The fusion core is an AI brain that manages sensor fusion, comparing all 3 inputs in real time. The AI asks, the LiDAR says there is a wall, but the thermal sensor sees an open road. Who is lying? Realizing the LiDAR is tricked by droplets, the AI lowers its weight and boosts the thermal feed. Now, the drone isn't just seeing, it is reasoning its way through the invisible landscape. Unit 7 stabilizes, gliding through the white void with an eerie and perfect precision. Inside the AI, lines of code shift and weights adjust as the sensors dance together to map the world. The drone breaks through the fog and touches down perfectly on the target landing pad. Maya breathes a sigh of relief, but Arjun is already analyzing the flight logs with a frown. He discovers a glitch. For 3 seconds in the fog, all 3 sensors had failed simultaneously. The drone didn't crash, it used previous data patterns to predict where the path should be. Arjun realizes they've created a machine that can navigate the unknown by guessing the truth. True power isn't in the hardware, but in teaching machines to handle the uncertainty of the void.